Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be reviewing a wig from Nadula hair. This is what they sent over in a package. This time they sent over a bow clip, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that style a little later. This is a 7x5 Jerry Curl 24-inch lace wig, so I'm showing you guys up close what it look like. I just put like a white background so you guys can see what the lace looks like. It's already pre-done for you. Obviously, they already cut the lace. They already did a great job of plucking. I'm just showing you guys the lace space and what you get in the wig. You got a big comb in the back, and then you also get an adjustable strap, and it helps so that you can wear your wig glueless if you like. So I'm just gonna start by tinting my lace. I'm using the Even Lace tinting spray. Then I'm going to use my foundation, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on my hand and then brush that in with a brush so it can be the perfect shade for me. Now I'm just going to try on the wig, and I'm going to do a little bit of adjusting to it. First thing I'm gonna do is cut some layers in the front and like kind of in the middle so I can frame my face. This is a lot of hair, so it's very important for me to cut a little bit more layers than I usually would, because I don't want it to just be like a big blob of curly hair on my head. I want to have some dimension to it. So now I'm going to go back and define the curls. So I'm just spraying the curls with water, and you guys will see the more I spray it with water, the more the curls just start to pop. Although when I got it out the package, you guys saw this, I mean, it's already curly, but I just wanted it. It's just something about when you wet the hair, it just comes to life or something, I don't know. Okay, now that my hair is fully saturated and detangled, I'm using my mousse, which is the Lotta Body mousse, and then I'm just making sure that I put mousse all over the curls. This helps the curls to be even more defined. I mean, it really doesn't need any help because these curls are already pretty defined, which I love. I love how tiny they are and just how defined they are. It's a really beautiful texture. Now I'm just going to blow dry the hair. I'm using it like on a medium heat, and as you can see, I'm blow drying it because obviously I don't want to wait forever for it to air dry. You can definitely do that as well, but if you don't have patience like I don't, you can just blow dry it, and just make sure, like I'm doing, you're not really manipulating the hair, manipulating the curls or anything like that, or else it's gonna get like frizzy and big and puffy. Okay y'all, so this is what the hair looks like once it is completely dry. It is all the way dry, although it still looks kind of wet, which is great because that just kind of has like that wet curly look, but that just shows you how good these curls are. They are absolutely beautiful and super duper defined. Of course, this wig is completely glueless. I'm just showing you guys that there's no glue or anything. I'm lifting it up. You can definitely wear it completely glueless, and you don't have to worry about like lace showing or anything like that. They did a great job plucking, and the hairline is amazing. I'm just showing you guys up close of the curls and how beautiful they are, and then here's an up close of what the hairline looks like. It blends in perfectly with my skin. Now I'm going to do another style, so I'm going to do like an updo, and I'm going to be putting on the little bow that they sent over in the package. Okay, to lay the lace down, I'm using my Even spray, the black bottle, but for some reason my nozzle was just malfunctioning, so I had to spray it on my fingers first, and then I'm just adding it to my hairline. Then I'm just going to use my blow dryer on cool a little bit, and then once it's nice and tacky, I'm just going to lay the wig down, and then I'm just going to press it in like with my comb to make sure everything is nice and flat. Okay, now that everything is dry, I'm just gonna let that set for a little while, and I'm just putting it on my little headband, and we're just going to add a little bit of water because I'm gonna be doing like a half up, half down style. So I'm kind of trying to get rid of like the little part that was right there, but it was kind of hard to get rid of it, so I just said forget it, and I just put it like up as much as I could. And then I'm using some of my Shine Jam. This is like really good because it gives you a really good hold, but it doesn't like make the hair hard or crunchy or anything like that. It's like very conditioning, so I really like that. This is my first time using it on like a wig, and I got pretty good results. I like it. Now I'm just using some of my foundation and making sure that my lace and everything is blending in. Then I'm gonna pull a couple little pieces out in the front, like what do you call it, little bangs, little long pieces, because it's kind of like a, I don't even know what kind of look this is, like a effortless, I don't know, half up, half down look. And then once I'm done with all of that and I'm satisfied, I'm just going to go ahead and add the bow. So I'm going to turn around for y'all and put the bow on. So this bow is like a clip-on kind, which is great. You don't have to worry about you know, tying a perfect bow or anything. So I'm just gonna like put that in and then clip it nice and tight and straighten up the bow. I know you guys have seen people everywhere with these bows now. They're like really viral. So this is how you can definitely pull off that look. Just showing you guys side views and everything so you guys can, you know, really get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this wig, or if you want to try any other wig from Nadula Hair, I have all the information down below in the description. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't stop on the trip.